wood screws, a level, pencil, drill, driver, measuring tape, speed squares, knife, drill bits, circular saw, first things first, grab a 2x10x8 and cut it directly down the middle. So now you have two 8-foot lengths for the sides and two 4-foot lengths for the ends. Now take our drill and pre-drill holes on the end of our 8-foot sections. Once the holes are pre-drilled, use your driver to fasten the side pieces to the end pieces using screws. Next, cut your 2x4 into 8 pieces. Don't worry too much about the exact lengths. We're going to use these 8 pieces to support our optional picture frame border. Once the 8 pieces are cut, fasten them directly to the inside part of the garden bed. The border is completely optional, but it just tidies things up. If you chose to do a border, be sure to fasten the border directly to the rest of the frame. Your garden bed is now built. Place it where it's going to live and make sure it's level.